Hello everybody, my name is Chandra and this video is for neural network. I hope you all are doing well. So let's get started with this video. So what is the agenda? We have a demonstration of application of neural network. We have only one agenda here. So okay, what is neural network? Let's see. So basically neural network are a powerful tool for various machine learning tasks including classification and more. So what do you mean by this? We have a neural network, like you can consider neural network as a bunch of, we have a neurons, and each neuron have their own algorithm to give the output that take multiple inputs, and there are multiple neurons available, and which is in the form of layers. After crossing the layers, like we can see in this image, we have an input layer, multiple hidden layer, output layer. So basically this will classify some values, and these values will be goes in these layers. So after passing this all through layer, and we have the lastly output layer that lastly classify the output and get the relevant result. For example, we need a, let's understand handwritten digit recognition. Okay, so a handwritten digit recognition is a classic problem in computer vision. The goal is to accurately identify handwritten digit from 0 to 9 from images. Okay, so neural network, particularly deep learning models, have proven to be a highly effective solving these tasks. How we have to build a neural network model for that? So how we can build? So basically we have to prepare our data. We need a large data set of handwritten digits. Okay, like the image, and then we will pre-process, the images are pre-processed to normalize pixel values and reshape them into a suitable format for the neural network. Okay, and then the model architecture will come. In this we have three layers, basically input layer and a hidden layer, and lastly output layer, as we can see in the image. So in the input layer, that receive some n into n pixels images as input, n into m. So we have n pixels of n into n matrices, we can say. And after that input layer, we have a hidden layer, typically using RU activation, that process the input and extract the feature from the images. Okay, from these pixels. After that we have a output layer, a single layer with 10 neurons, each representing a digit from 0 to 9, and a softmax activation function is used to output probabilities for each digit. Okay, so lastly the process is training. So first we need a forward propagation, and we also have backward. So let's understand forward propagation, where the input data is forward through the network, calculating the output, and the calculation is made. Difference between predicted output and the actual label is calculated using loss function like cross entropy. And after that we have a back propagation. In the back propagation, these are propagated backward through the networks. In the forward we have the forwarding the changes, and in the backward we have the backward changes. So adjusting the weight and basis on for each layer to minimize the loss. Okay, after that we have optimization, and optimization algorithm like stochastic gradient descent is used to update the weights and losses. Okay, after that we will test sets and train model and check the accuracy of that data. Okay, so this is about neural network, and let's see what is the applications we can have. So the application is image and video analysis, uh, speech recognition, or we can also use in healthcare, like in the medical image analysis like disease diagnosis, and also in a finance, like predicting the stock market prices. Okay, so these are just the basic application of neural network, and we can solve complex problems and achieve remarkable result in various fields from this powerful tool. So that's from this video, and thank you for watching it, and see you next time.